Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, here we bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. My IPL referee, when they call Anthony Taylor, don't come outside for media sets, they beg Arsenal and Lampard. So we can try to get empathy. They try to understand referees. You get say referees when you see they be human being. You get mistakes are meant to be happen. You know, say as Arsenal don't come outside when they complain about referee officiating, and Lampard said don't come outside when they represent Everton for the latest handball we happen between Everton and Man United. They use hand carry ball and referee no see him at the same time. VAR self no can see him. So Baba come outside when they beg say make them let bygone be bygone. Say now mistakes with that, but she be that the mistakes now make we bring VAR. To make VAR can correct all these mistakes you get. If VAR no can fit correct them, then what are we doing? Why do we have VAR? So now the bone of contention be that this is a bitter pill to take. And at the same time, Rio Ferdinand said don't come outside for media set they talk say you see this Aubameyang move where he move come out from Arsenal go Barcelona. Say the team favor both Arsenal, along that is Arteta, and they favor Aubameyang because you know say Arteta self as he did like this time, if Arteta finish fourth, everybody go justify the decision to send Aubameyang away. But anything go make Arteta finish away from sixth, you get. So people going to remember Aubameyang, especially now you say he done the score. Like no, so we'll go live yesterday. Me and Baba talk about this Aubameyang issue. When they talk say if to say Aubameyang no the score at all, nobody will remember say don't come out now because he can't come out when they score. That's why people going to remember in face. So everything depends on where Arsenal will finish. Because I know say people will still revisit this Arteta and Aubameyang matter at the end of the season. So if Arsenal finish for maybe Champions League slot and nobody will reason Aubameyang and say yes, I'm going to do that to bad rubbish. But if we can't finish, God forbid, though, maybe 7th or 8th, people can't remember that Aubameyang issue. Say why they sell and come out if Baba go to score for Barca, for the score for us. Even though he don't play plenty matches for us, he no score. See, in as much as we try to forget this Aubameyang story, we can even bring them up, and you can't help it. You go still crop out again. That's the issue we'll get now. Our marital spirit for Napoli, they let us know say Arsenal they willing to double Fabian Ruiz salary for Naples. You know say Fabian Ruiz they earn £2 million for there, and the guy they rejects Napoli contract extension. So Napoli self don't come outside talk say if you don't want accept our contract offer, that means say we go sell you. And Arsenal self they willing to buy the guy. Even for the last match, the guy even scored for them one kind of long range shot. And myself, I don't do my own research about the guy. I don't say the guy is very tall and huge. He get presence for the air, and the guy get powerful pass completion rate, and the guy they give assist. So that's why I like the guy. And the guy don't even cost us like 16 point something million pounds. It will cost us with one buyer, and the guy they very strong. You get job like Susek. I like the guy gone. So if Arsenal self go sign the guy, it will make sense. And the guy said, don't they really say you won't go check greener pastures for another place because you don't tire for that Napoli win day. And Arsenal self now be the favourite to sign him. So me I could be very happy if at the end of the day we sign this Fabian Ruiz. If you don't know him, Baba enter YouTube me go scan the guy himself, we go happy. The official now say Marcel and Arsenal don't officially agree a permanent transfer for Guendouzi for £9 million at the end of the season. Now Marcel president who they call Pablo Longoria now announced this deal. So Baba they talk say Guendouzi gets all the things where they need, and another thing they say Guendouzi meet all the clause waiting for a long term, all the things they say make him achieve. If he to achieve them, then they will give him a new contract. So Baba can't achieve them. So now all the people they talk say make Arsenal call back Guendouzi, make him join them, this and that, may not quash all these things because they don't the official say Arsenal don't sell Guendouzi, give Marcel for £9 million. So at the end of the summer, now everything will be official, everything will move. So the guy will just go join them. So Guendouzi don't be our player again because they don't agree a deal in principle. Saying go find square root. How would I take see this movement? So now they have to say Arsenal carry Guendouzi give Marcel. She would have feel say Arsenal go regret this kind of decision because me I don't know say na so it will end last because you see Guendouzi and Arteta, they know they see eye to eye. Get just be like Guendouzi and Auba, Guendouzi. They just be like Arteta and Auba and Arteta on Ozzy. So that's what it just be. So how do I take respond to this story of Arsenal selling Guendouzi permanently to Marcel? Our marital spiritual they call Calcio Mercato, they let us know say Aston Villa don't make offer for Frank Kessie from AC Milan. Say Frank Kessie deal go expire at the end of the summer. So many people they reason the matter. Arsenal they there, Tottenham Hotspur they there, Barca they there. Even at some point today, yes, Barca are the favourites to sign the guy. But today now, when you say Aston Villa said don't join the mix, so they really need the guy. You say once you be free agents, you go to attract different people because after all, they no go pay any transfer fee. And just your salary, and I will reason I will show you their proposal, so you will know whether I want join them. I mean, no one join them. So we never know where Frank Kessie they go. Now at the end of the summer, but with the yes, Barca are the favourites. But the favourites can still change. For the watch. Okay, we can't themselves don't come outside. Call the talk. Say these Arsenal fans, they say we they underrate Odegaard. Say this guy, the guy a magician. Say the guy left foot now one. Say the guy they make players they tick. If you give them ball, they'll give them back because the players they get massive confidence. But we are in day. Say the guy they so talented, but the problem is say they get the deserved accolades, the deserved recognition for Arsenal squad where he need. So they know they give him. Say that because they score goals. Say no, say they score goals, but the guy they give assists, the guy they make some kind of passes, they give some kind of people run. Say the guy they play very well, and it is high time for us to recognize him as a very good and important midfielder for our team. But at the same time, our monitoring spirit that they call 4-4-2 don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal now be favourites to sign Enzo Fernandez ahead of Real Madrid. And the reason will make Enzo Fernandez leave Real Madrid come join Arsenal. Don't be say maybe Arsenal they bigger than Real Madrid. Like just say in the fine way going to play consistent football. Look at Odegaard now. She been at the same time pursue Odegaard come for Real Madrid, come Arsenal. They're gonna give him week in week out game, unless maybe he get injured, or maybe when they play cup. The guy in a mainstay for Arsenal first 11, his name they always did there. So if Enzo Fernandez have reason that kind of pass, we say, she instead of to go Real Madrid, we say I know going to play, I know get starting shirts. Man, no go Arsenal, we say I know say starting shirt sure for me. So that is why the guy won't join us. And they say the guy now wonder kid. Means if I don't run go YouTube, means I'm not waste time. If I just see all this kind of thing, I'll go YouTube, go check the player out. And lo and behold, what I see makes sense. Yes. But the problem is that Shane go feel replicates all those form what they watch for YouTube inside Arsenal shirts. That be the major issue with the game because all these YouTube editors now they'll go bring the best moments of each player. And they'll go show you a miss. And the best moments they'll just cut join a servant so you make you chop on with okra and soup. So at the end of the day, you go know whether the player go perform that has even join Arsenal. Well, now when we sign up, we go find out. Arsenal CEO, whether they call Vinay Van Keshan, don't come outside on the talk say it is very unlikely. Say Arsene Wenger go return to Arsenal. You know say I think I don't talk in the past. Say he go like me Wenger come back to Arsenal, can't take up a role. You get maybe a role model to the boys and make it just get maybe the assistant sporting director or maybe the CEO. I never know the role they go give him. So Vinay can talk say as Wenger did now, Wenger get a role for FIFA, win the work. So there is no way Wenger go live in work come and in work they allow and they travel up and down. Say no go get chance to leave that work, come here and say if not, they forgive and roll. Say no, just back that issue. It's not coming anytime soon. Sassuolo CEO, when they call Giovanni Cannavali, don't come and say they don't say Gianluca De Sammaca will leave Serie A anytime soon. I know say the guy said a hot property for Serie A there. The guy will score goals well. The time when Juve they find Vlahovic, you always they follow them, they drag Vlahovic. Juve come and say talk say if they don't forget Vlahovic, they'll come go sign Gianluca Sammaca. So now we don't know whether Arsenal said the reason the guy. This one I don't talk say we are ready to sell. It's going to move anytime soon this summer. So I never know whether Arsenal will go make a move because Arsenal at one point in time said they're interested in signing Sammaca because this Sammaca when the guy who score goals gone. If you know all these names why they mention, mean that they go YouTube go they check out because now what means about they do and they go check them. Surprise, our noisy neighbors will be Chelsea. They're ready to receive bids this week. From what they hear from Sky Sports, they're ready to receive a bid. They won't sell Chelsea. You get because of the war where they happen between Ukraine and Russia. The sanctions don't they affect Abramovich? This Abramovich carry Chelsea give the Chelsea charity trustees. The trustees they yet to accept the new responsibility. The blessing their constitution no allow them to take up ownership of the club. So Abramovich no get choice instead of the EPL to freeze the asset or seize them from his hand. The good making just sell them. So the guy they contemplate bids. Some kind of people go send bids to them this week. So you don't know whether they go sell them or just the unfortunate share. So I say make I let you know they know what's in the happen for our neighbors also. At the same time, on a more lighter news, Emil Smith Rowe don't return to Arsenal training. So they hope say the guy will prepare himself against the match he will play for with Watford for Vicarage Road. So we did very happy. Don't say the guy no be saying an injury get, na just small sickness, and I don't say he will do very okay now because we need all the best legs we can get. So the only person who the sweat for now be Tomiyasu. You never know when he will come back with that calf injury. Well, we wish him all the best, quick recovery, make him come back because we need all the best players. The Premier League Association, wey they call PGMOL, their oga wey they call Mike Riley don come outside officially for media center come dey apologize to Lampard and Everton. Talk say the referee wey officiate the match between Everton and Manchester City him do big mistake, but that penalty wey no give you get, and the VAR sef dem no try because referee talk say no see am. So Lampard no even dey blame the referee. Referee say no see am. Who dey blame na the VAR. So okay, if referee no see am, you wey be VAR, wetin come stop now? No be your job to correct wetin referee no see. Okay, if you know say if you no dey sure of yourself, why not tell referee say make go look monitor? We just play the clip for am. So Mike Riley come apologize to that. He don call Lampard for phone. At the same time, he come call Everton chairman wey they call Bill Lenwright. Come apologize to two of them on phone. Say make dem no vex. Say don't happen. Say don't happen. But Lampard said paragon. Say this is the greatest height of incompetence. Not wey Lampard no talk. I even dey fear say maybe they will give am sanction, make him pay fine because the guy talk plenty. He insults those VAR and everybody. So now they don't offer him because Lampard said talk say wetin they expect now. An excuse or an apology, like they must respond. Say don't talk, make them come respond. And truly now their oga come and say abeg no vex because this one dey very very obvious. Everybody see am. When Lampard dey talk say even a 3-year-old for house will watch the thing, no say na penalty, come be referee. So na so just be. So if you no watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click and make get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your week and a new month na dem out.